Hello children, I welcome you all to the math class. Hope you all are fine and studying well at your home. So children, today the day is Friday and it is 30th of July 2021. So let us see the thought for the day today children. So the thought says education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. So children, the thought says that if you will be well educated, you can unlock the golden door of freedom. That means you can be free after you are well educated. So kindly all of you open mental maths book. Okay, today's Friday, so we are doing the exercises sums from mental maths. So get ready with your mental maths book children, and we are doing unit 6 more division. Today we have done many sums from division, and in unit 6 also we will continue with more division. So children, in this unit you will learn about the concept of remainder. In unit 5 we have learned about the division where remainder was 0. That means the number was exactly divisible by the other number. But sometimes the number will not be exactly divisible by other number. At that time we will get remainder. So let us see example of remainder. So you can see that if there will be 15 cookies, yes, 4, 16, 17, 8, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, 15 cookies, and we need to divide among you, Mary, David and Jack. So each will get 3 cookies, okay, and the remaining cookies, how many cookies will be remain? 3 cookies, because we cannot divide 3 cookies among 4 friends equally. So the remainder will be 3 cookies. That means the remaining cookies will be 3. Next children, you can see that if you want to divide 9 toffees among 4 children, you can see that each will get 2 toffees and the leftover toffee will be 1. That means 1 will be the remainder. So that means remainder means the number when the number is not exactly divided by the other number. So this is from your book children, unit 6 more division with remainder. Sometimes you cannot divide one number exactly by another and you are left with some spare number. For example, 5 pies divided between 2 means 2 pies each plus 1 left to fight over. So there is 1 leftover pie. That means the leftover number is called the remainder. So this is the exercise you have to do today. Today toads have invited their froggy friends over 40. Can you divide the flies between them? There are flies and the toads have invited their froggy friends. So you have to circle how many flies each will get and write the remainder in the box. So let us start with the first one. You can see A, there are 2 flies. So each can get 3 flies and 3 flies, yes, and the remainder will be 0 here. So you will write remainder 0 because there will be no flies. There will be no flies, so the remainder will be 0. So here you will write 0. Next children, let us do number B. There are how many toads? There are 3 toads. And how many flies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 flies. Yes. So when you divide 13, if you divide it in the rough, 13 divided by 3. So we know that 3 4s are 12 and 1 will be the remainder. Yes, 3 4s are 12 and remainder will be 1. 12 minus 1. So each will get 4 flies. Yes, so let us divide this one. One will get 4 flies. Another will get another 4 flies. Yes, otherwise you can divide, you can circle it in this manner also. Kindly wait. One will get 4 flies, another will get another 4 flies, and the third one will get another 4 flies. Yes, and the leftover is 1 fly, so remainder is 1, so you will write 1 in the box. Now number C. Let us do number C, children. So how many toads are there? There are 4 toads. Yes, and how many flies are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 flies, children. So when you divide 11 with 4, if you divide 11, I will do here, okay, 11 if you divide with 4, so 4 2s are 8. Yes, we can't divide, we can't subtract 8 from 1, so this will be 0 and it will be carry over 1. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, so 3 flies will be left over and each will get 2 flies only. So we will group the flies. One toad will get 2 flies, another toad will get 2 flies, another toad will get 2 flies, next toad will get 2 flies. Yes, there are 4 toads, and the leftover flies are how many? There are 3 leftover flies. That means remainder is 3. Now children, let us do next one. There are 4 toads, and how many flies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 flies. Yes. So in the same manner, each toad will get 2 flies, 2 flies, 2 flies, and 2 flies. Each will get 2 flies, and the leftover fly is how many leftover fly is there? There is 1 fly. So the remaining fly is 1, right? So children, in the same manner you will do E and F. Okay, E and F is your homework. So I have done A, B, C, D for you. You will do E and F. So next you have to do this one. Work out the remainders in this problems. One has been done for you. So you have to write in this box you have to write the quotient, and here you have to write the remainder. If you need, you can use the rough copy for this also. Okay, so we know that children, 3 divided by 10. Yes, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 is greater than 10. So we will write 3 3s are 9, and the remainder is 10 minus 9 is 1. So 1 you will write here. Now next, 3 divided by 13. So children, we know that if we divide 3 with 13, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So 15 is greater than 13. So we will write 3 4s are 12. Yes, 3 into 4s are 12, and the remainder will be 1. Hope it is clear to you all. Next, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, which is greater than 9. So we will just divide one time. 5 1s are 5, and the remainder 9 minus 5 will be 4. So the remainder will be 4. Next children, 22 divided by 4. So you can do it in the rough. 22 divided by 4. Yes, we know that 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Remainder 2 minus 0 is 2, and the remainder is 2 minus 2 is 0. So the remainder is 2. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be, your quotient will be 5, and the remainder will be 2. Hope it is clear to you all. Next we will do 44 divided by 5. Let us find out the quotient and remainder for the 44. 44 divided by 5. So we know that 5 8s are 40. So the quotient is 40, because 5 9s is 45, which is greater than 44. So we will stop 5 8s are 40 minus 4 minus 0 is 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So remainder we get 4. Yes. So quotient we get 8 and remainder what we get? Remainder 4. Okay children, I have done A, B, C, D, E. A has been already done. B to F. Your home assignment is you will do G, H, I, J as your homework. Hope it is clear to you all. So children, next, this is also your homework. You use your knowledge of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 times table. Color the division problem that will work out exactly without leaving the remainder. So you will just color the division pattern which will not leave the remainder. Okay. So here you can see. Here you can see that 4 4s are 16. So it is exactly divisible. So you will color this one. You will color this one. You will use pencil color. Okay. The number should be visible. Next, 10 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9 and the remainder is 1. You cannot exactly divide 10 with 3. So this will not leave the remainder. This will leave the remainder. So we are not going to color it. This will also leave the remainder because 5 6 is 30. After that 2 will be remainder. So C also you will not color. Now D, 10 9s are 90. It will not leave the remainder. So you can color it. Yes. In the same manner you will color H. You can color F. You can, yes, F and H. Rest you cannot color. Okay. Now color the lily pads which have problems and that do not divide exactly. Now it is exactly opposite to number 1. You have to color those which cannot be divided exactly. For example, number A, 15 divided by 5. We know that it is exactly divisible. 5 3s are 15. So we cannot color it. But we can color another one. Yes. Because when we divide 18 with 5, there will be remainder 3. 5 3s are 15. 18 minus 15, 3. Understood? So here you have to color which is not exactly divisible by that number. That means wherever you will get the remainder, you have to color those lily pads. So hope you all are clear here. Yes, you can do 1 and 2 by yourself. Okay. So I will see you in the next class, children. Thank you very much.